So basically extend the error handling so that if a person types a non-valid input, it will keep repeating until a valid input is entered. You will need to go beyond the if-else statement. You need not operator, logical operator, and other things. And this had to do with the code that you input maybe M, and then it will just print out Monday for you, or you input TU and it will print out Tuesday for you. So as a quick skeleton, just have a variable that I'm going to assign the input to. Basically, you've got the days of the week, and you've got a list for the user to select from, whether MTU or something. You've done it in class before. And we just want to add error handling to it. Yeah. So that was your version of the code. We just want to walk through this together. So basically at the moment, all I'm doing is taking input from the user. Feel free to type alongside me if you want. So basically, and as you type, of course, create your own version or just do your own modification. So I'm just getting the day of the week from the user. And I want to sort of make it in a do-while structure. So basically say that while the day, which is the variable I've assigned, is not equal to M, I want to ask the user to, I want to say print an error to the user. Then afterwards, I'll get the user to input the day again. So what I'm going to do is just copy this line 1. And then put on line 4. So I'll just do a quick test on this to see whether it works. So as the Y day is not equal to M, see if it works. Enter the day of the week. I'll type day. Again, enter day of the week, day, or something else. And then I'll type M. Then I see that it works. So at least that logic works for me. So what about, we've got M being for Monday, and we have Tuesday being TU. So whilst it's not equal to TU, I do a quick check again. So I have M that works for me, run again, something else doesn't work, and I have TU being Tuesday, and also that works for me. So it means that we're on track.
So I have a question.
Please ask.
Are strings case sensitive?
You mean what is in there?
Yes.
Yes, it should be. Let's try it out. So if I type M, you see an error. If I type small t, you see an error because it's taking it literal.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll clear that. And I know that now the AND logic works. So I'm just going to include Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And Wednesday was W. Thursday was TH. Friday was F. Then Saturday, Sunday. SA for Saturday and SU for Sunday. So I resume the recording at this point. And okay, so the rest is after we've got this, how then do we use them? So I want to step out of the loop, and to step out of the loop, of course, I reduce the indentation. If it's not clear to you, you can see it on line 6 over there, but I go back to line 5 to do this. So I'm just going to do an if condition on day. So to say if the day equals Monday, which is M, we want to print out Monday. Yeah. And I'm going to do the same for the rest. But it's an else if, so again, I reduce the indentation, and I'm going to go for elif. Tuesday was TU. We do it for all of them. By typing faster. Yes, I'm just kidding. There's always a better way of writing code. If you can get it, I'll be happy.
Yes, and JavaScript has this thing here, where like to write conditional statement.
Yeah.
And also use semicolons and question.
Can do the same in C++ as well. Give it a go. Give it a go.
Python.
Mostly you can. Give it a go. Most of the expressions are quite similar. Of course, it's just a matter of making sure it's in the right syntax.
Right, that's in exam.
It depends on whether you are copying or actually writing it yourself.
As a programmer here, I feel that our number one skill is perception, not copying and pasting. Our number one skill is researching,
Yeah.
finding out things, solving problems. So I'm not looking at assessment here. I'm not looking generally, like maybe on projects and all. Like you want to actually get more insight on that project, you have to do in-depth research, write better codes, in-depth research. Real facts,
Yeah.
you can't do everything. You're not smart, you're not. I don't see them. We are all living. Yes.
I'm just going to add this to it just for fun. Okay, so I've got my code. I'm just going to run through really quickly. I missed something, line 5. Yeah. I ask you that all the time, isn't it? And thanks to copy and paste. Well done.
So your print is cropped.
Yeah. Well spotted as well. Yeah. So that works. quick run through. I think the rest okay. So my test run properly. I'm just going to give you some time to finish typing your end of the code. And whilst you do that, I'm just going to pause the recording on this. So the next task is to look at something that is like, actually, let me do this. I'm going to stop this whole recording and have a new one, fresh new recording.